What is up, my dudes? And that one girl is just ready for some more Milwaukee shenanigans. This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, just getting it done. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on our Cardo communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me and all my do-goodness like these cool guys here? Boom! These should become part of the Brew Crew and join the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, it's not to support more really goofy ass trips to Milwaukee. It is for a good cause. And there's a link explaining it down below next to those 10,000 Amazon affiliate links, which I do get a kickback for. And when I get that kickback, it also goes to a good cause. Got it? Excellent. Let's move on. All right, so today we are heading back out to Milwaukee. It is actually very early in the morning, so I am hoping to get over to the Harley Museum before it opens, and I'm hoping that it's a whole lot quieter than it was when I went there yesterday, so I can kind of get a jump on things. I sure would like to look through the Harley Museum, check everything out there, and, you know, see those fun things before all the crowds go rampant like they did yesterday. Like I said, yesterday it was, well, last video, it was an absolutely cool event to go to and see, and like just all the stuff going on there. It really is something. Like, Harley is impressive, but there was definitely a lot of crowds, so, you know, I kind of popped out of there and I went over to House of Harley to see the guys over at Suspension Technologies, which it is always awesome to see those guys. And I've been like saying their name a lot over these last couple videos. If you're just joining my channel, I do want to specify, I do not work for Suspension Technologies. I do not make any money off of Suspension Technologies. I am just a fan of their products, and I'm a fan of the people who own and work there, because they are just some of the nicest dudes. So yeah, that's how that all comes about. But let's get a little bit further down the road and let's see how we make out on the Harley Museum.
What's up, guys? So I'm over here at the Harley Museum. I've got Tiffany Renee. I'm sure you've seen her channel. You want to sound off on it?
Hey, make sure you guys come check me out, Tiffany Renee. Like, I do a lot of bike stuff. I do traveling. Like, I get on my bike and go somewhere.
Her bike is right back there. Now, she has one huge advantage over me, and I'm incredibly jealous about that. She's got a camera guy. Literally got a camera guy. What's up, camera guy?
How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Hope he takes care of me.
Oh, man. I need one of those. All I got is a long arm.
Look, my arm would get tired. I couldn't do it.
We've been chatting back and forth. I watch your videos, you watch mine. It's cool to finally like meet her. So yeah,
Definitely.
Here we are.
Yes, we're gonna have a good time. Make sure y'all try to make it next time, because we're having fun.
Yeah, this as I've been saying, this place is so impressive. It is so impressive. So yeah. All right, let's go check out the museum, hopefully this time. So it looks like there's already a line for the museum, because why not? But I'm gonna head over there now because I really want to get into the museum. So just gonna pretend it's like Disney World and suck it up. I don't know. Here we go. Waiting in line to get into the museum. Apparently if you have tickets, you don't have to stand in line. There's a dude there who's like, I have an extra ticket, who wants it? I was like, hell yeah. Offered to pay him money. He said, nah man, just enjoy the trip. So if you're watching this, dude, I did give you some stickers and stuff while you're pooping. Thank you so much. I very much appreciate it, and I can't wait to go check out the museum. Hey, look at that, I found Traveling Tom.
What's going on, everybody? Listen, if y'all are not in Milwaukee for the 120 Rally, you're missing it. First of all, I ran into my man, Bikes, Beards, and Brews here. He's out doing his thing in Milwaukee. Y'all check out his YouTube. Well, you probably are on his YouTube channel because it's a video. Anyway, hey, listen, we have to get him in Knoxville to get him riding the Foothills Parkway with me for the next run to the hills.
I'm down with that.
Tall guy, huh?
So,
Hey, how you doing?
he's got all the new speakers and stuff in his bike, so I was about to show him how good that would sound blasting Slayer. That is so cool. Like, I love these illusions. Squeaks just like a Harley too. Hey, no everything fires. That's pretty cool. So these lines on the floor, originally I thought it was like a stay back because that's serial number 1 bike, but that's actually the entire size of the shed where they got their start and started building bikes. Incredibly tiny. So the company started with 3 Davidsons and 1 Harley. They named it Harley Davidson. We affectionately know these as Harleys. I feel like the Davidsons got ripped off here. They got ripped off hard. Yes, boys and girls, Harley was even in the moped market for a while, on top of golf carts and everything else. The amount of bikes here is absolutely insane, and it definitely covers all the generations, as well as like tons of custom bikes. I'm really impressed. I really am. This is awesome. Now thoroughly convinced there's no actual exit to the museum. I think once you come here, you just die here. I don't know. All right, so if you ever do come during an event and you get a chance to buy museum tickets online ahead of time, do that. The line is insane if you don't. If you have printed tickets, if you have digital tickets, you just cut and walk right in. It's awesome. So again, to the guy who like hooked me up, thank you so much, dude. Like, that made it so much better. But yes, the museum is definitely worth going in and seeing. All right, so I wasn't a big fan of this bike on its own, but I gotta say, that sidecar completes it. I really like this. They should have just sold it like that the first time around. This is much better. This is way more nostalgic, much cooler looking. I'd be all in on this. The line to get into the store to buy things is just absolutely insane. Yeah, we're not doing that. I can't tell you how many times I've found my bike in a sea of bikes by just looking for the handlebars. It makes life so easy. All right, so this has been fun, but we're gonna be heading out of here. Going to check out House of Harley again, see what's going on over there, say hi to the guys at Suspension Technologies, and see what's up.